Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Students, I know that you are learning lessons, you are doing your study at home. Today, I am going to teach you one activity. Of course, it is from English textbooks of standard 7. The name of the activity is a collage. Now, I know that children are very much interested in sport activities and art and drawing. Here, the activity which we are doing, it is related with art. I know you are interested in art and you like this activity very well. Now, first of all, we will know what is a collage. Collage, actually it is a piece of art made by sticking various different materials such as photographs or piece of paper or fabric onto a large surface. Means what? You can take paper like this or any other surface, and what you have to do, you have to paste on it different photographs or a piece of paper or fabric onto it. You can give it different shape depend on you. I remember children like to do this activity, or they are already doing this activity. How? You are doing paper cutting. What you are doing in it? You are very much interested. You are fascinated by the two-wheeler or four-wheeler, or you are too much attracted by the sports personalities. Then what you are doing? From newspaper, you are cutting those pictures and pasting it into your notebook and keeping those notebook with you. I have seen many students are having such type of book or such type of notebook with the pictures of sports personalities, either maybe cricketers or the players who are playing football. It is when you are preparing collage, it is not necessary that you should use any color for that. Means a art without using color. Actually, this collage is a French word. It means that an abstract form of art in which photographs, piece of papers, matchsticks, etc. are glued to the pictorial surface. Means it is not necessary. You should not draw any painting on paper and paint it. Then what you have to do? You have to collect various things, abstract form of art, in which photographs, piece of papers, matchsticks, paper cutting or anything you can collect, and you will paste it on a paper. That is called a collage. Now, the things to make collage, which things are required for it? So here you need scissors, you need glue, you need paper, you need various other things, photographs, pictures, whatever the collage you are making, all those things you are required here to make that collage. Now we will see the types of collage. Here first is photo collage, second is magazine collage, then fabric collage, paint collage, and collage with wood. You know, some children are there, they are making their pencil sharp, and when they are making it sharp, the base part, the cover of the pencil, they are taking out or sharp with a round motion, and the portion which is coming out of that pencil is in a round motion. Okay, in this way. So some students are there, they are using it. They are collecting all this and pasting on paper. They are using other colored paper cuttings also and making this collage. Now, in our textbook, we have one example is given of collage, and that is about Swami Vivekananda. One thing I want to tell you that while you are preparing all this, that time you can have your favorite leader, sports person, and you can collect that information of that person and all the quotations of that great person, and that also you can cut it or you can paste it on one paper and you can make one collage of it. Here such type of collage is given in your textbook, that is 1.6 of unit number 1, page number, that is 21. So first of all, we will have the information, explanation of this collage, and then I will show you some specimens, some examples of actual collage made by the students or others. So let's see. Swami Vivekananda, born Narendra Dutt, was a great personality who made the world aware of the greatness of Indian philosophy. We all know Narendra Dutt, known as Vivekananda. By birth, his name was, in his childhood, he was called as Narendra. But afterwards, people called him Swami Vivekananda. And this person was a great personality who made the world aware of the greatness of Indian philosophy. Here, philosophy. The meaning of philosophy means system of beliefs. At the Parliament of World's Religious, he began his speech with sisters and brothers of America. At these words, he received a 2-minute standing ovation. He emphasized the importance of selflessness and service to mankind. He is regarded as a patriotic saint. Now what happened? Here ovation is enthusiastic clapping by an audience. When Swami Vivekananda went to America and he participated in that religious conference, and when he started his speech to explain Indian. He started with the words. What was that? What was the beginning? That was sisters and brothers of America. Because of these words, the people who were there in the hall, they all got up and gave enthusiastic clapping by an audience. They clapped and gave response to Swami Vivekananda. Then he explained, he gave more stress, emphasized, means gave special importance to which things? Selflessness and service to mankind. He gave stress, importance to the thoughts like selflessness and service to mankind. Now next thought is arise, awake and stop, not until the goal is achieved or goal is reached. As rightly said, arise, awake and stop not until the goal is reached. Means you should continue struggle. You should not stop till you achieve your goal, your aim. Next one is talk to yourself at least once in a day. This is very good and you should follow it. Talk to yourself at least once in a day, otherwise you may miss a meeting with an excellent person in the world. So at least once you should talk with yourself. What you are doing, that is right or wrong. What you have done today. All these simple questions, you just examine yourself. Talk with yourself. Then next is, the picture is shown. That picture is given. That is the picture of Vivekananda Memorial of Kanyakumari. Next, take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it. Dream of it. Live on that idea. Very nicely said. Take up one idea. There should be no option. You decide your goal, your aim, and fix that target and start to work on it. When there are options, you are just running. If you will not achieve this, I will achieve that one. I will go behind that one. I will try that one. So what will happen? If options are there, you will not concentrate. You will not focus on your target. So what is it? Take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it. Dream of it. Live on that idea. Follow it. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea. All parts of your body must concentrate and work in that direction to achieve that idea. And first, leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. As I told you, if you have so many targets, so many aims, or so many options, you will achieve nothing. Because if your target is specific, your aim is specific, then you will try to achieve it. You will always find out the ways to achieve it. So many options should not be there, only one, and follow it. That is the way to success. Next thought which is given here, that is, fill the brain with high thoughts. Highest ideas, place them day and night before you and out that will come great work. Now, the last thought here that is given, whatever you think, that is very good and I like it. Whatever you think that you will be. Just listen, this is a very good idea he has given. Whatever you think that you will be, what you are thinking, it decides what you will be. If you think yourself weak, weak you will be. If you think yourself strong, strong you will be. What this thought tells us. Whatever you think about yourself, if there are negative thoughts in your mind, then your thinking, your ideology will be always to negative side. You will just thinking about negative, and negativity will be there throughout your life. But if you will make yourself always thinking positive way, then positivity will be there. In all the states of life, every event, every moment, you will see something positive will come out from that. So, if you will be in a trouble, still you should think positively that from this trouble, something good may come out. So, if you are thinking yourself as a weak, you are making yourself weak. Remember, and if you are thinking yourself that yes, I am strong, I am not weak, then you are making yourself strong. So always think, yes, I can do it. Don't try to find out the excuses. Don't say, no, I can't do this because this is the problem, that is the problem. Don't give excuses, try to do it. One day you will get success. Now remember students, first of all, this is an activity based lesson. So there will be no question and answers on it. I will not ask you write some thoughts of Swami Vivekananda or give answer of this and that. Nothing. But the project work will be there. Before that, I will show you, as I promised to you, I will show you some collage which we have prepared. Now see, this is the collage. What is that? The parrots are there. This is not colored. These are the this picture is prepared by pasting various colorful papers. Another one I will show you. This one, you can see many fishes are there. This is also the paper cutting. These are the papers. There are the papers are pasted here. Next one is, you will definitely like it. This is rangoli, actually used here. And this is the way they have drawn nice collage, prepared nice collage. One more is there. This is. See, all these small paper pieces are there. This is not colored or not painted, but these are piece of papers. You can see, these all are piece of papers. See here, all these are the piece of papers, and by sticking it, this nice collage is made. Now next one is, this you will surely like. You will see a mother and a baby. This is also made with the help of small piece of papers, colorful papers. They are pasted at various places, and with the help of these piece of papers, this nice collage is made. So remember, all these things where you are making collage. Keep in mind, all is not necessary that you should use all these things only. You can use any other colorful things. You can use the pictures also, photos also, your favorite leaders' quotations also. Just we have one example of Swami Vivekananda's. Then I will show you some other. Now here you can see, instead of those, now what I have done, here are the pictures of Indian freedom fighters. I have pasted it together. Here is another one of animals. I have kept it together. Now I will show you the example exactly related with our lesson. Here one collage is there. My favorite national hero is the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. So here you can see Mahatma Gandhi's photo and some of his quotations. So I will read all those quotations here for you. You can see here picture of Mahatma Gandhi, and here another picture is there, that is of Dandi March. I will read the quotations. You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is like an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. Remember in your life, if there are some people who trouble you, who torture you, you should not live your humanity. You should not say that the people in the world are bad. Mahatma Gandhi gave a very nice example of the ocean, that if there are some drops of water, they are dirty, entire ocean, we cannot call it as a dirty, or it cannot become a dirty. Next one is live as if you were to die tomorrow. There is no guarantee. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were live forever. Try to gain knowledge, because knowledge will survive you, knowledge will continue with you. Then happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. Every person is running behind happiness. What is happiness? Happiness is nothing but what you think, what you say, and what you do. That is in harmony. What you are doing, all these things, that is the result of your happiness. Next one is, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. What you are, if you want to know, help others. Then you will come to know the best. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. You cooperate others, help others, do service for others. The next one is, if I have a belief that I can do it, if I have a belief that I can do it, I shall surely acquire the capacity to do it, even if I may not have it at the beginning. That is called positive attitude. I already told you. If in the beginning you will not have that capacity to do it, but you have a positive attitude, that will create capacity and you will do it if it was not there with you in the beginning. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Next one which I like, that is, earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. That is true. Earth provide everything to us, that man can fulfill his basic needs, food, clothing, shelter. You will get it. But the man is so greedy, his greed cannot be completed by the earth. The future depends on what you do today. It is applicable to all. Whatever you are doing today, if you are study hard at this stage, then your life will be successful. You will get success in your life. So whatever you are doing today, it is depend on your future will depend on it. Then you don't know who is important for you until you actually lose them. And the last one is, hate the sin, not the sinner. So this was exactly related with the lesson. One of my favorite leader, that is Mahatma Gandhi, I have selected him and I have prepared this collage. Now assignment for you. What you have to do? That is simple task. Gather information about your favorite historical personality. Any you can take. You can take any historical personality. You can take any social reformer or any other. You may use internet. You may also gather photographs, pictures or any other quotations and informations like this and prepare the nice collage like I have shown you or that is given in your textbook. I hope you will enjoy this activity and you will do it happily. Thank you.